If you've ever scrolled through a dozen luxury home videos and walked away feeling nothing, no envy, no inspiration, just a vague sense that you've seen the same marble island and gold faucet 100 times before, you're not imagining it. And you're definitely not alone. Because most of what gets labeled luxury right now is really just expensive decoration. And today I want to walk you through why that's changing and what's actually replacing it. Here at Terra, well, we spend our days inside homes people have poured years into. And the one thing that keeps coming up is this: real luxury in 2026 isn't about how much a room costs to look at. It's about how well it holds up to how you actually live, which is exactly the shift you'll see in this luxury house tour 2026. Because every space we're about to walk through was designed around function first, beauty second, and somehow that order is what makes it feel more beautiful, not less. Start at the entry, and instead of a grand chandelier doing all the talking, you'll notice the full material, a home limestone that's been sealed to age gracefully rather than show every stuff. Because the new standard of modern design isn't about pristine, it's about materials that get better with wear, the way a good leather jacket does. Moving to the kitchen, and the story continues. The island isn't oversized for the sake of size. It's sized to the way this specific family cooks, with a prep zone that faces the window instead of the wall. Because natural light while you're chopping onions matters more than a dramatic sightline for guests who show up twice a year. In the living room, pay attention to the ceiling height paired with warm, low-temperature lighting around 2700 Kelvin instead of the cold white light that so many luxury spaces default to. Because warm light is what actually makes a large room feel like it wants you in it rather than just admiring it from the doorway. The primary suite takes the same approach outward, a sliding wall of glass that opens the bedroom to a private courtyard. So the indoor-outdoor flow isn't a buzzword. It's a daily habit. Step outside for coffee without putting on shoes. And that small friction removed is worth more than a second walk-in closet. Here's the pro tip most house tours skip entirely. Material continuity is what separates a home that feels curated from one that feels chaotic. Carry the same wood tone, the same stone, or even just the same finish on your hardware from room to room, and your eye will read the whole home as one cohesive thought instead of a series of disconnected showrooms. Which is the quiet, non-obvious trick behind almost every home in this luxury house tour 2026 lineup. That's really the new standard of modern design we keep coming back to. Less performance, more intention, and every choice justified by how someone actually lives there rather than how it photographs for 15 seconds. So here's my question for you: when you picture your own version of luxury, is it something you'd want to show off, or something you'd want to disappear into? Drop your answer below. I'd genuinely love to know.